Good to be back on burrito life, living in the van.
In this vlog series, I am transforming an old 3-story house into an eco home while living in my van conversion.
So now the house is finished, we're going to leave the house and go on a van trip. Me, Day and Stephanie. We're going to go to one of my favourite climbing areas, which is Sirana. I can't wait, it's going to be awesome.
Road trip!
Van trip!
Yeah. And Tiger's driving. She's already on the front, on the driver's seat.
So Sirana, if you didn't know, is like a climbing destination, obviously, but it's got some really incredible climbing, but it's like on the top of this hill and there's like a castle and a really beautiful village and always good views. So it's going to be really nice to spend a bit of time there. It's one of my favourite van life spots. It's kind of funny though, because we're also leaving a perfectly incredible and beautiful climbing area just to go to another beautiful climbing area, but we also want to go to Ikea and pick up a load of stuff for the kitchen. So we're basically doing a mega loop, like a 3 or 4 day Ikea trip, but mostly going climbing, so kind of justified. Hola.
Porque son 3 euros.
¿Cuántas?
3.
3, es más oro.
Si puedes dejarlo un poquito más para atrás.
Sí, bien. Since the last time I was here, they've really fancied up the place, which is always a bad sign. Now they've got a sign saying no overnight camping at the top, which is a shame because that's what made Siurana one of the nicest places to kind of hang out and van life. Maybe we'll test it. Doesn't say there's a fine. But yeah, it's kind of really. It's a shame. No, it didn't really make any difference in low season. There's hardly anyone visitors here. People hanging out, van camping up here was really nice. But I think maybe they've put an end to that because they only really value tourist dollars. It's the same thing that happens pretty much anywhere, which gets sort of gentrified. It's pretty sad. But such is life. Oh yeah, and they've shut the toilets as well. So that's weird. So basically, Sirana's just took a nosedive as a destination. It used to be so good.
Mango pre-food tea with a precisely measured amount of water because we don't have unlimited amount, and we're gonna make some wraps as always in the van.
And leftover breakfast that I've just finished.
It's really cool here in Sirana. Yeah, I mean, apart from the new laws that will not let us stay here during the night, but apart from that, it's a pretty sweet spot.
Good to be back on burrito life, living in the van. It's been a long time.
Burrito lifing or van lifing?
Burrito hasn't been that long. I tell a lie. But I've lived in the house for 2 months, I think. So it's great to be back in van life. I love it. It's so fun. So much freedom. I think Days are most psyched to be back in the van.
Yeah. I don't really know why. Maybe because I'm just no pressure for climbing and it's just so beautiful, and just I don't know, maybe because it all started with van life for this. There's just so many good memories that it would be hard to not like it. When we were traveling before the building started, Nate was so hilarious. I mean, he is funny now too, but at the beginning he was just, oh my god, so funny. It was so much fun with you. I'm still.
That's why I got exhausted from working.
Yeah.
every day
But
for
now
a year.
he's getting back to his like funny Nate mode.
So before you were 10 out of 10 funny. Now 7.5 on good days. Joking.
So we're gonna do this route. It's really easy. I don't know what it is, but I remember I think it's kind of easy. Famous last words. Warm up. Continue the comeback. And then we'll go around the corner and just get like savagely pumped on some 7As. Do you wanna go first or shall I?
No, I'll go first. I'll put the drawers up.
Got myself a rope gun.
Rope monkey.
Rope monkey.
Do you know what's annoying though? You just got changed into shorts and the clouds kind of
that's
like
good.
rolled in.
Yeah.
And I'm like, man, am I gonna be too cold? When I first bought cookies with like Quest was like, oh, get ones with milk so they won't eat them all.
Yeah.
I can see what he meant now. I went too far, not certain way, and it was like a bit slow free, like a bit rounded maybe.
Like, see the chain is like just in the yellowish bit above the,
Oh,
yeah, just
yeah.
that, that's all it is.
I've been hanging around day too much because I started singing Christmas Carol randomly.
Take. Nice, good job, Stef.
Thank you! That one's fun.
Good job. Take wants to climb.
I go, what's it go rock climbing? Nice.
What are you guys preparing?
Rice noodles. This is our eggplants. This is our tomatoes. This is our super spicy. I don't know. Not chili, maybe.
Tiger's really tired. Are you enjoying your van life holiday in a different van?
Yeah. I need to like
A holiday away from home.
Bonne idée d'y aller la première fois.
longy.
Non, je vais faire un peu de...
It was fun, bumpy at the start, got easier, and I was like, oh, okay, must be almost there because I can see the other anchor. And then it got hard, and I was like, oh, okay, at least we're almost there. Well, it's not almost there. I thought there was like 1 or 2 more draws, but it's actually like 3 or 4 probably. And then the top bit was like slabby, and I was like, oh, there's got to be something, but there isn't that much. But it's cool movements, a bit like just go commit kind of thing, but it's kind of like safe commit. You just need to trust it kind of thing. Really cool. I like it. Tiger, Hatik.
Just leaning into the scratch. Oh, we're just gonna walk around. Stef sent. It's like 45 the whole way.
And it's like hill.
Oh, anyway, it must have some decent holes on it. Get the old shower again. This thing's amazing. Basically, I mean, a lot of people wonder about it because it's obviously like a portable outdoor shower, and you shouldn't ever have this inside an enclosed space. But the only way you can actually use this is when the whole back of the van's open and it's not an enclosed space. Just hook up the shower, and when you turn it on, fires up the heater, hot water. It's amazing. And this thing is basically just what you hook onto the side. Cool. There's actually hooks all the way down it in case it's like super breezy. And then you have a shower cubicle. Significantly better than the old van, which just had the shower bag, solar shower bag, which is fine unless it's kind of cold and you're not getting a lot of sun. Then it's not fine at all. I feel really fresh now. It's nice to get the climbing chalk and sweat and smelly shoes off your feet.
Yay, I get to shave my armpit. Oh, woo! It's so nice. It's like a hot shower, but it's not nice coming out of the hot shower because like it's way colder.
So after a few days climbing, we are now in one of the most exciting areas. Tell by my face, exciting areas. We're in Ikea car park. So now basically just putting in the sink. 3, 2, 1, go.